Are you thinking about settling somewhere less dangerous, maybe?
I mean, I feel like everywhere is dangerous right now. It's sad, yeah.
I mean, I'm surprised you're sitting so close to us with coronavirus.
I'm surprised you're sitting next to me. I call it smoker's cough, but everybody, whenever I cough, looks at me like.
So funny story you mentioned that. As we were walking in and I saw you in your puffy jacket, I was outside and I was putting money in the meter for my car and I heard somebody coughing and I'm like, wow, oh man.
Do the cough. Go ahead.
And I was like, oh man, that guy must be, and I did say guy, I go, that guy must be really, really bad. And then I look over and I see you and I was like, oh God. I probably shouldn't tell her that story, but I'm sorry that I told you that story. You brought it
It's
up.
aggressive.
It's an aggressive cough. It is. Have you gotten looked at?
So let's talk about our interview with Noah Cyrus.
Noah Cyrus, yeah.
What do you think?
I like her. I thought she was fun.
I thought she was like super down to earth. You would never know that she just came from like this multi-million-dollar family, multi-platinum family.
Or she just got high in the parking lot. You wouldn't know.
She got high in the
Maybe a
parking
little.
lot.
Maybe a little.
When you did that cough to her, I thought she was going to die. All right, well, Christine and Salt signing off.
Bye.